Pentair Mastertemp 250 heater. It doesn't start the engine, it only tries to start from the control panel, but it blinks over and over again and it does not turn on the heater.
Well, I'm not sure where to go with that. If you turn the heater on, the first sound that you hear is the exhaust flue of the motor. So that fan, which is the exhaust fan, is what the initial sound is. After that, it goes through a sequence, and then you should hear the buzzing sound of the heater trying to fire. If that doesn't happen at all, if you don't hear that bzz, bzz sound, then basically what's happening is there's a fault between the blower coming on and the heater igniting. If that buzz happens and then you don't hear a click and then a whoosh, the click is the sound of the gas valve opening up and the whoosh is the sound of then the flame coming on. If you don't hear that sound, then there's a problem between, with the gas supply. And outside of that, you could have some other issues like flow. If there's not enough water flowing through the heater, it may not fire. But if, by the way the question was written, it sounds like the initial motor sound comes on, so you're hearing the fan comes on, so that's good. That should mean that there's water flow in the heater. And then beyond that, it's just going to be isolating at what point does it stop. And without more information, I wouldn't be able to tell you that.